we call the shift grip, which has a combination ergo grip for comfort, and also the reason we call it shift is so that we're encouraging shifting between different configurations of holding the grip. So the idea is you would hold it at the front portion of the grip for lining and or technical tattooing, and you would hold it at the rear grip position for more looser tattooing, basically. What I've noticed is that, first of all, your circle size is going to be smaller when you're holding it at the front position and larger when you're holding it at the rear position because you're farther away from the tip of the needle. So for textures, I would definitely recommend holding it back here. Also, I've noticed that saturation seems to be a little easier from back here versus up here. Also, because your circle size is bigger, big gradients is preferred in the rear position because you can more naturally make a bigger circle pattern. So I recommend people try that out. So you can, if you pull lines, you might hold it there. You could line into, let's say you're tattooing in an armpit or the bottom of a neck and you're having a hard time getting your hand really close to the skin, then you might just choke up so that you have that extension. Also, it's just meant to fit really well in the fingers so that your fingers kind of have a place to sit.